Welcome back to Session 9 of GED Geometry Review. Circumference is just a special name for the perimeter of a circle, the distance all the way around it. It is a length, so the answer is in plain units. There are two forms of the formula, and they give the same answer. Circumference equals pi times the diameter, or 2 times pi times the radius. Use 3.14 for pi. Pick the formula that matches what you are given. If the problem gives the diameter, pi times d is fastest. If it gives the radius, use 2 pi r. Both describe the same circle. Let's try one with a diameter of 10. Circumference is pi times d, so 3.14 times 10, which is 31.4 units. Now, the same circle described a different way, with a radius of 5. 2 pi r is 2 times 3.14 times 5, which is also 31.4 units. Same circle, same answer. One more. A circle has a diameter of 8. Pi times d is 3.14 times 8, which is 25.12 units. Be careful not to confuse circumference with area. Circumference has no squared radius. If you see r squared, that is area. Circumference is a single trip around the edge. Quick check. A circle has a diameter of 10. Using 3.14, what is the circumference? Pi times d is 3.14 times 10, 31.4 units. To recap, circumference is the distance around a circle. It equals pi times the diameter, or 2 pi times the radius. No squaring, and the answer is in plain units. Well done. Try a few circles on your own, and I'll see you in the next session.